welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are here to do a meal prep video. Y'all been asking me so many times about this in person, about this meal prep, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and give the BNG Nation what they want. They want a meal prep. Let's get this done, okay? So we're gonna be making this first meal prep very easy, very simple. If y'all looking for like macros and all that kind of stuff, like that's not here, that's not this video, so y'all can go ahead and leave now if y'all want. For all my people that have been asking about meal prep and just want to like prepare themselves for the week, for work week or whatever, this is the video for you. Me personally, I like to snack throughout the day. I really honestly only truly eat one meal out of the day, and I literally snack the rest of the day. That being said, since I am a snacker, I did feel like I wanted to make a snack prep video. This is not really like a snack prep, but it's kind of a snacky food. But the way we're gonna make it, it should fill you up pretty good. So we are gonna be meal prepping nachos. That's why I decided to go ahead and do these nacho prep. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I do in my nachos. So we're gonna go to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. All right, let's go. OMG, I forgot to say, hey BNG Nation. Before we go on, if you are new, consider subscribing. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. And if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know you're here, okay? Boom, like that. Alright, so let's go ahead. Hey guys, so we are in my kitchen now. I'm gonna go ahead and go over what you're gonna need for this meal prep. Chips, milk, salsa, cheese, and ground beef. You might already have chips and milk. You might just only have to get these three things. So we're gonna start off with our pot. We're gonna go ahead and turn our stove on. Going to get the ground beef here. I'm gonna go ahead and brown that first. Alright, and then for seasoning, we're gonna be doing seasoning salt here. Let's see, so seasoning salt. Alright guys, so now that it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and drain it, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on the cheese. As you can see over here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's the ground beef. I put it on a towel. I saw like a little hack on that to get like some of the oil off of it, and then I did rinse this out a little bit with just a pot. But there is a little bit of oil still in there, but it's okay. It's just gonna give it a little bit of flavor. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some milk to our pan. We're gonna start on the cheese. You're gonna want to put quite a bit of milk in there, and then we're gonna start cutting the cheese and putting it in there. So I got the cheese here, and let's see. Start fitting her into the milk. Meal prep containers, you can see right here. I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave it down in the description below. This is how much is left. I'm just gonna eat this tonight. So that is it for this meal prep. I hope that you like it. Got the queso and the chips for this week for 4 days, which is my work week. And then if you want to double this recipe, it should be able to last you the whole week. But I'm just one person, so this is plenty enough for me. And that is it for this video. I hope that you like it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.